the season, Wootstock 2023. Can you believe it? Yeah. I see so many good friends here. It would be impossible to say hello to you all. People I know and love. People I don't know, welcome. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy and there ain't no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you. Take me for a trip upon your magic swirling ship. All my senses have been stripped, and my hands can't feel the grip, and my toes too numb to step. Wait only for my boot heels to be wandering. I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready for to fade onto my own parade. Cast your dancing spell my way. I promise to go under it. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. I'm not sleepy and there ain't no place I'm going to. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. In the jingle jangle morning, I'll come following you. All right, let me see some texts here. I might be missing something. Okay, thank you, Drusilla. Hi, everybody. So good to be here. I see many of you I know. I have somebody representing Intunes for me. I'm not exactly sure who she is, but she is here covering me, okay? So, hello. She lied. Well, no one told me about her. How many people cried? But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. Well, no one told me about her. What could I do? Well, no one told me about her, though they all knew. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. All right. Okay, I could say this hi to some people, right? There's Polly, Perkle, Star. Of course, Anna is always here. Etheria, Pippa, Ty, Benny's here, and so on. I've got to get singing. So, thank you all for coming. Sometimes it's hard to make things clear, or know when to face the truth, and I know that the moment is here. I'll open my heart and show you inside. My love has no pride. I feel with you. I've got nothing to hide. So open your eyes and see who I am, and not who you want for me to be. I am only myself, myself. I don't want to lose you now. We're gonna get through somehow. Don't want to lose you now forever. To stand my ground, but if you want me, I'll be around forever. We all make mistakes, we all lose our way, but we stood the test of time. And I hope that's the way it will stay. It's all up to you to tell me to go, 'cause it won't be me to walk away when you're all that I know. I don't want to lose you now. We're gonna get through somehow. I don't want to lose you now forever and ever. Baby, I finally found the courage to stand my Thank you, everybody. I've got some texts up here. I want to see what people are telling me. Might be important. All righty. I have got a request. But before I do that, let me sing a song by Linda Ronstadt. She is an amazing woman. Was the hottest thing in the 70s, and she was fantastic. I love this. I love all of her music. I know a lot of her music. And so I will do the song by Linda Ronstadt, who is no longer able to sing, so I will sing for her with my pleasure. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? I've been put down, I've been pushed round. When will I be loved? When I find a new man that I want for mine, always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. I've been made blue, I've been lied to. When will I be loved? When I find a new man that I want for mine, always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? Tell me, when will I be loved? Woo! All righty. All right. Thank you.